What is pay-as-you-go?
Pay-as-you-go is a flexible net payment method. It allows you to purchase a minimum of 1 credit hour to start, and after that you can buy more credits in any amount to $25 or more.
Are you gonna want more money?
You will be paying the current credit hour price. Our enrollment periods and pricing will be published each year on December 1st, and prices are subject to increase during each enrollment period. Current prices will always be listed on our website. Unlike monthly purchase contracts, you won't pay a rate of return. So in most cases, you will likely end up paying less over the life of a pay-as-you-go contract compared to that of a monthly purchase contract.
Who all could give me money?
We will accept contributions from anyone, not just the purchaser. Payments from friends and families can be made by mail or on our pay-as-you-go payment site. So that means grandparents, aunts, and uncles are welcome to make a payment as well.